friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are sitting down to do one of my favorite videos to do here on my channel, and that is of course my StitchFix unboxing for January. I didn't end up doing a StitchFix unboxing for December just because I was doing Vlogmas. It was a weird month. It's been a weird year. Let's not get into it, but focusing on the good things, I am super excited to get back to doing these videos. I know you guys really enjoy them, as do I. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into what I got for my January box. Alright guys, so first thing in the box it looks like are these really cute suede beige heels. I'll be honest, I love getting shoes from Stitch Fix. I've gotten a couple really cute pairs over the year that I've been doing this or so and really have enjoyed some of them. These are from Violet and Red. Ooh, look at the bottom, that's super cute. And these, I have my little cheat sheet, and these are the Violet and Red Neil Suede Pull-On Booty in light gray, size 7. And these currently are $109 from the Stitch Fix site. So yeah, I think these are really cute. I love the heel. It's a little bit taller than ones that I normally have. I'll have to look and kind of see if I have stuff, to be honest, that's similar, because I have a lot of booties, but not necessarily in this suede color with the wooden heel. So I'm gonna have to see if it matches or goes with anything in my closet, like from a shoe perspective, like if I have something similar. But as always, as you guys know, I will try it on at the end of the video so you guys can see what they look like on my body and you guys can let me know what you think. Okay, next we have this really cute gray sweater. What is this? Oh, cardigan. Okay, so really cute, heavy kind of gray cardigan. It's got the lining material kind of lined down the front of it. It's pretty long too, which is nice. Long cinched sleeves, pretty simple dark gray, and this is the RD style Cassandra sponge yarn cardigan in gray, size small. I love cardigans. I live in cardigans, so this is actually a really cute one, and I really like the material of it. Feels really comfortable, so very cute, definitely into that. And this one, it looks like right now is $74 on Stitch Fix. Okay, next we have this, which I'll be honest is a little bit out of my comfort zone, so we're gonna have to see what it looks like on. It's actually a lot stretchier than I thought it would be, but this is the Prosperity Jolene stretch colored denim jacket in red, size small. Now I'm gonna be honest, this is probably going back. I never wear red denim ever, but this is pretty cute. Like I said, it's got a good stretch to it. It's a pretty long denim jacket, which is nice with the silver buttons. So yeah, I'm again not very adventurous when it comes to colored jackets, but as always we will try it on and you guys can let me know what you think. As well too, the jacket is $68. Okay, next we have this really cute long sleeve or quarter sleeve green top. I got a blue one from them with a very similar design not too long ago that I think I ended up sending back maybe, or maybe I ended up keeping. I'd have to check. But this is an olive green top. This is the Fortune and Ivy Rebecca zipper detail mixed material blouse in olive, size small. So yeah, the front definitely has more of a my gosh, why can't I think of what this is called? Chiffon? I'm pronouncing that wrong. Am I? I don't know. You all know what I mean. And then the back is more of like a stretchy jersey material, so you guys can see the mix of the two patterns or the two materials right here on the sleeve and the back. So that's nice. It'll make it a little bit more comfortable, but we'll have to see what it looks like on. I think it would be cute tucked in. This could potentially be very cute. We'll just have to see. And this, by the way, as well, I'm looking at my cheat sheet, is, where is it? $42. It's a pretty good deal. And the last thing we have in my Stitch Fix box for January is a pair of jeans. Pretty typical for a Stitch Fix box. These ones are slightly distressed, lighter wash denim. Down here at the bottom, they have like more of a distressed detailing on the bottom of the jean and then up by the pocket. These are actually pretty cute and pretty stretchy, I'm not gonna lie, and they look pretty high-waisted, so I think I might actually really like these. We'll just have to try them on and see, but these are the Just Black Rosalind High Rise Distressed Skinny Jean in Indigo, size 0. those are a lot of things that speak to me, so we're gonna have to try them on and see, but they actually look pretty cute. So we'll have to try them on and see what they look like on my body. And those jeans as well too run at, let's see, $88. All right, everyone, so that was everything that I got in my January Stitch Fix. Now let's go ahead and see what it looks like on my body. Hi friends, so this is 4 out of the 5 pieces from this outfit box for January. This is the sweater, the shirt, the jeans, and what I'll show you in a second with the pants and shoes. I actually really like the sweater that I just tossed over there. It's super comfortable, super soft. The shirt I like. It's a little tight up here on the top, but the back is pretty comfortable. It's just tight on my chest, which these types of shirts normally are, but I do like the style of it. I do like how like V-cut it is. Now for the shoes and the pants. So these are the pants, pretty cute, pretty high-waisted, which I like. I don't like the cut down here at the bottom. It's a little bit loose for what I like typically. And the shoes I'm actually a pretty big fan of. They're pretty comfortable. They're pretty, this is such an awkward angle. They're pretty cute. I'm just not 100% sure on the color. But yeah, as always, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright, and here's that jean jacket. Like I mentioned, I'm definitely sending this back. Red jean jackets just aren't my thing. I do like the fit though. It's very stretchy and very comfortable. I just wish it was regular denim. So let me know what you guys think of this box down in the comments below. Love to hear from you guys. Alright friends, so that is everything that I got in this month's Stitch Fix. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I will be leaving my code down below if you guys want to try out the boxes for yourself and get a little bit of a discount. I love Stitch Fix and I hope you guys will want to try it out. It's one of my favorite clothing subscriptions that I've ever received. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did so I know to make more videos like this, and subscribe to see more of my face as I have new videos coming out every week. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!